Welcome back everyone to another video. Today I am going to Ptuj. We took train from Maribor and this is another station. Here we have to change the train. Now I'll go inside and train will leave in 2 minutes. We made a sudden plan. It's 2:20 in the afternoon and we decided at 12 o'clock that we will go to Ptuj. So Ptuj is the oldest village in Slovenia and it's around 50 kilometers from Maribor, and we are going by train and it took around 35-40 minutes. Nice graffiti in the wall. Now we are climbing to the castle and look at this beautiful road, man. We are almost reaching on the top of the castle and we underestimated the cold. In Maribor it's like 12-13 degrees Celsius today, and here on the top it's 1 or 0 degrees Celsius, so it's getting cold. I reached on the top of castle and this is the art museum. Although everything is closed here, it looks very beautiful, and the view from this castle of the Ptuj city is also beautiful. As I told you earlier, Ptuj is the oldest city in Slovenia. So this is the old town of Ptuj. All the houses here are of old architecture and they have roof of red colors. This is Metro Park. It's like open park for jogging or to see the sunset, and it's like mini Scotland. From castle we now came to clock tower, and lighting is made on in the area behind us, and it is looking very beautiful right now, and hope after half an hour everything will be lit up. So after the clock tower, we came at this coffee shop to have some hot chocolate, because outside it's getting very cold now. It's around -1 or -2 degrees Celsius, and we forgot to bring hand gloves and cap. So this is better. Truly, this art in the subway is something different.